Welcome back, fellas. I'm here to show you my red dot that I got for my Draco. I have the Valken red dot. I got this off Amazon. Paid 31 bucks for it. And for what I've seen, it works pretty good. I already have it turned on. You can see the dot through it. Now, I have the intensity on 3. We have 5 settings on this one. And, you know, it works pretty good. I like it. I had it zeroed. I probably didn't took it off and threw everything off, but, you know, we'll find out when I go back to the range. You have your windage and your elevation settings. The battery housing is right there and the power knob. And you can just put it on your quad rail, screw it down onto the quad rail. You'll be good to go. And here's my Draco. Let's go and take that one out. You know, and of course it has little side pouches for extra magazines. And there we go. Slide that on back. And she's empty. And I also have these rail clips that basically peel right off, you know, which I'm gonna have to take it off to put the red dot on, but I picked those up from Optics Planet also. Let's see, get that on there. Let's see if we'll be able to do this one-handed today. There we go. All right, there we go. We got it on there, simple enough. And as you see, looks pretty cool on there. Let's see if I can get the side in there. Fuck it. I mean, you know, bump it. We'll just let that ride for now. But yeah, picked it up on Amazon, $31. Cool little red dot sight. I enjoyed using it at the range. And, you know, it was a good addition. I'd recommend it. And, you know, with it being 31 bucks, it's not the most expensive thing, but it works. So, you know, nothing saying that you gotta go out and spend your whole wallet on everything. So definitely check it out and subscribe to my channel. I'll put a few more videos out. I'll do a video with my AR, do a video shooting the AR, shooting the AK. And I'll do a video with the AK versus the AR. And I have a few more things I'll do videos of, but subscribe to the channel and get all of it. Thank you.